You know, some days you have days that nothing seems to want to work, which is seems to be today. Anyways, so first off, welcome back to the channel. If you're a repeat viewer, if not, thanks for taking a look. Today we're taking a gander at a pair of headphones that caught my attention because of their, I want to say, feature to price ratio. And this is the OneOdio Focus A6 noise canceling headphones, as you can see right here. So these come in at a pretty budget friendly price, around $100, but they do promise hybrid active noise canceling, LDAC support, long battery life, and a nice design. So in today's video, I'll walk through what I think is everything you need to know before you think about purchasing these. So in a second, we're going to jump into the unboxing and I'll take a listen to see what they actually sound like. But before we get to that, let's do a quick breakdown of some of the specs. So especially things like the active noise canceling, because I would say that's kind of the standout or star feature with these headphones. So the OneOdio Focus A6 uses hybrid active noise canceling, which means that they're both feed forward and feedback microphones working together to cancel noise more effectively. OneOdio rates the noise reduction in these headphones at up to a minus 48 decibels, which actually is pretty impressive for this price point. So inside these, you get 5 high sensitivity microphones, which are dedicated to noise cancellation. And the headphones themselves include 4 noise control modes. So they have their standard active noise canceling, they have a transparency mode, they have a wind noise reduction mode, and a wind resistant transparency mode. So there's also an AI powered ENC. So that's environmental noise canceling, which can actually help keep your voice clear during things like phone calls. And of course, these do support LDAC, which means that you can get high resolution audio over Bluetooth along with AAC and SBC. Battery life is also solid with up to 75 hours with active noise canceling off and about 40 with it on. Plus, it does have a 10-minute fast charge, which gives you 10 hours of playback on 10 minutes of charge. So that's actually pretty outstanding when you're in a rush and you just grab your headphones and you realize they're dead. So let's get on with the unboxing here. Anyways, this is the Fox right here, the Focus A6. And as you can see on the front, it does kind of talk about the high-res wireless audio, high-res audio, and one of the star features, of course, is the LDAC. So if we look on the back, we are going to get a bunch of their technical specs. I'll hold this up a little closer if you guys want to pause that and take a look at what it says. You get some stuff on the bottom here as well. So again, 75 hours battery life, Bluetooth and wired dual modes, cinema game sound effects, app customization, Bluetooth 6, it says. Bluetooth 6. Smart dual device connection, deep noise reduction, and dual mic AI call noise cancellation. If you're looking for fancy specs on a box, it's hard to beat it. Hard to beat it. So inside here, we get just nothing. There's the headphones themselves. So we're just going to put these over to the side. Nice presentation for sure. And inside here, if we kind of pull this down, I'm guessing, in the back, your manual. Yes, little manual on how to get it to do its thing. And of course, we get, oh, look, they give you a nice, fairly long USB-C to USB cable. That's nice. I like that they gave us a long cable. I'm gonna put this back in here because again, a lot of times I'm seeing with headphones and that they give you a short one, but this a good sized cable, which thank you OneOdio. That's nice. That is super nice of you. Yes, indeed. Now, again, these come in probably in around the $100 mark, I think it is. So, you know, for a pair of headphones that claim all these specs, I would say that's pretty decent, especially with 48 decibels, so 48 minus 48 dBs of noise canceling. So nice black and gold. Now, I don't know if these come in multiple colors. You're going to see some of the microphones on here. These, of course, use your active noise canceling on button. This is your power on off button, your volume up and down, your USB-C for charging. Yeah, a bunch of microphones all over this thing, which is kind of cool. Your right and your left. Yes. And my guess is that that active noise canceling also is where you and I would be able to go between. Oh, they are comfy. They are comfy. I'll give them that for sure. I will definitely give them comfiness. So if we come in here, for instance, we'll just go into my Bluetooth because, can't test headphones without listening to them. Yes? Yes. So scroll down to the bottom here. And I think it said this and then this. One of these is, so that is on. Okay. Power on. I'm with you. And the noise canceling kicks right in right away. There they are right there. OneOdio Focus A6. You guys can see that popped up right away. Connected. You got a nice little lady voice. Tells you you're connected. And again, you have your volume here. So you have your up and down. Oh, no, this is my active. Am I hitting the right button? Oh, this is volume down here. Yeah, so this one here, there's your volume, right? Play pause. Okay. This one here, your active. Yeah, so you have noise canceling. Click it again, transparency mode, ANC off, noise canceling mode. So I think this is supposed to come with an app. So I'm very curious. Let's actually go in. Sound-wise is good. It's very, very clean. I'll give it that for sure. So I'm gonna just go to the App Store because again, I didn't necessarily look for in the manual. So I'm just gonna search for OneOdio. There it is right there. So I'm gonna just download that because my guess is that's the one we are looking for. Yeah, the sound, the volume is good. Like the actual, they're not crazy loud, but good sound for sure. And then again, if I come in here and just kind of click that button, transparency mode is transparent. Yeah, transparency mode works good, right? Let's just open these. I'm curious. Welcome to your new device. Yeah, allow, add device, searching. Boom, found them. Oh, firmware upgrade. Yes, I would love to do a firmware upgrade. So we're gonna do that, and we'll be right back. Here we go. We can see them all, right? Active noise hand on, transparency off, wind noise, wind resistant transparency. So you do have the chance in here to play around with it, and equalizers, and to find my headphones. Do not wear them when you're doing this. Yeah, it's got a tingy mode, gaming mode, overtime wear reminder, max volume limiter, auto power, movie sound effects. Okay, yeah, a lot of cool things inside there, right? So I think that's kind of cool. And then lastly, what we'll do here, because audio wise, good. Again, I think they could be possibly a little louder, but this is loud enough for me. But I got them up pretty close to full, right? So if you're here and I crank them up, maybe not. They're pretty loud, but very clean, very clean. I have to say that they're not crazy bass heavy, enough bass for sure, right? So if you came in here, you do have equalizers. So this is in pop mode. So you could go bass mode. I wonder if that's actually, would that sound better? Oh yeah. So some of the modes definitely help. Super bass mode, customs, etc., right? So yeah, they should be okay. The last one here is that we'll go to Black Magic and we will see what the microphones sound like. So you can see instantly, as soon as I came in here, it turned off the noise canceling for this. So if we go in here and we turn on, not the iPhone, but the OneOdios, yes. And we'll go to our camera, turn that this way and record.
So this right now is recording using the OneOdio headphones. So you should be able to get an idea if you think the audio would be good for whatever. Maybe you're gaming on the phone, maybe you're taking Zoom calls or doing Zoom calls, maybe you're just answering the phone, etc., etc. But you want to know what the audio is like. Well, now you know. This is what the audio is like coming from these headphones. Perfect? Yes.
All right. So that's a quick look at the OneOdio Focus A6 active noise canceling headphones. And I think again, for the price, they're packing a lot of features. Everything from, again, the hybrid active noise canceling and the LDAC to long battery life and multiple noise canceling modes and transparency modes, etc., etc. Anyways, let me know in the comments what you think. Other than that, if you've had a chance to try these out, leave your thoughts in the comments for other people. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.